You're like the greatest little builder. He's got such steady hands, guys. He's been doing this with dominoes and things since he was really little. Now what have we got? How many towers? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, 6.
No.
You made an extra one. 6 towers. So Andrew got this Yowie Rumble candy that we're gonna try. I think you have to open it from the bottom, Andrew.
I don't think so.
Should I help you get it started?
No. What does it look like? Oh, wow. Whoa, what the heck?
This is gonna be messy.
Yeah, stop putting that on the floor. But there's no trash. What's inside of it?
Why don't we take this?
It's broke.
Here, pull that piece of chocolate off there. Emily, no. And then, here.
It's a
Put
Winnie
this
the
down.
Pooh. It looks like Winnie the Pooh.
Eat that chocolate.
Gummy bear. I'll give you a gummy bear. Wow, you really choked that down.
What's inside?
I don't know.
Can you open it?
Let me try.
Emily, you help him.
Whoa! Oh, it's like a whale.
It's a whale? That's pretty, it's a dolphin. That's pretty cool. Show us the dolphin,
cool.
Andrew. Show us. Show us the dolphin. It's cool. Lucky boy.
It's actually a shark because that's those.
It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this is crazy mother.
Back up!
No, it's fine now. Here we go, Andrew. Are you ready?
Back up!
Put the light on. We can see Andrew.
Oh, yes, color!
It's watching us now.
Andrew, look at you! Andrew, look at my window!
I don't think he likes it.
He's like, it's not scary!
It's okay, Andrew. It's okay.
Look above. Look above. Here it comes. Here it comes. He's closing his eyes. It smells so good. Bad at the same time. It smells like the dentist toothpaste. Andrew, it's okay. You can open your eyes now. It feels like our car is moving when it goes past. I don't have car washes often.
That wasn't so bad, was it? Unfortunately, we now have a wiper problem back there I'll have to go look at. We got a car wash and now my wiper's like this, but I think it's just that. It just popped up. Phew. That's good. It goes up here into the hole and then it comes out down there. Okay, go ahead, Aiden. One.
Yeah, but what if he hits it too hard?
Two. Three. Four.
What the heck? It's impossible!
How many tries is this now? 8? This has turned out to be pretty hard. He's now trying a new strategy of putting it slightly closer. 9, I think.
No! How do we get this in the first try? It's not hard. It's hard! What is wrong with this hole? The hidey hole. This is impossible! You can't get it in!
Hey, went in. First try.
I like aced this. I got a 4.
That was good. That was 1.
2 for Daddy. I got a 4. You got a 2.
So guys, we kind of did a fail because we missed a hole that's up there somewhere, and Emily just told me. So somehow we managed to screw up mini golf, didn't we? Missed a hole. Who won?
You won.
So Aiden with 81, Owen and Emily tied with 92, and I win with 57.
So we're thinking about a beach day tomorrow. How many times have we been to the beach this summer?
You've been, I haven't been. Have we been once, maybe beginning of the summer?
I've been.
I thought you went on your own once, no?
That's before the kids got out of school.
Oh, okay.
I've been twice to the beach.
Aren't you lucky?
We usually do a week on the Cape, and it's our week, and I'm getting all the flashbacks on Facebook, and it's not making me feel good. And we went to Myrtle Beach for a week last summer too, so we did 2 weeks of beach vacation last summer. So I'm like thinking summer's running out fast, so we need to get to the beach.
Okay.
So tell them where you're not going tomorrow.
Sailing?
It's not going sailing. We're going to go to the beach, but the kids are like, I don't want to go discuss it. So they're wondering if there's a beach we could go to that would be a little bit more interesting, maybe different, but I don't know about that.
I don't know, we'll have to think about it.
I'll have to think about it. Look at these 2 boys. Look, they look like they love each other. Is it the stadium? No, it's well, it is a stadium. It's like a Little League place.
Little League World Series playoff game.
Andrew's eating a burger. You see that, guys? And the Little League game is on. These guys are like Aiden-sized tiny.
No,
where are they from?
New Jersey and Maryland.
Pretty cool.
But they're like 12-year-olds.
You love me? Yeah, I love you too. So we got to think about a beach tomorrow, okay, guys? We need to get Emily home. Emily's next door.
Thunder.
Did sound like thunder, didn't it? All right, we're going up to bed. What do you have to say?
Stowed stuffed daily vlogs.
What should they do?
Stowed stuffed daily vlogs.
And everybody should
Subscribe to one channel.
subscribe to our channel right now, right? And don't forget to give this video a
Right there.
thumbs.
And make sure you follow the kitty.
Oh my goodness, Andrew. Okay, maybe he wants to eat, okay?
That's what you can eat.
Okay. Gentle, gentle. Can you tell everybody to subscribe? And don't forget to give this video a
Thumbs up.
say goodnight.
Bye. Good night. I don't bring the kitty up to bed.
he'll come up to bed when he's ready. Oh boy, poor kitty. All right, guys, we're heading to bed, aren't we, Piper? We're trying to. Oh, that is not nice. You can't throw the kitty, okay? Subscribe to our channel if you're new here. We'll see you guys